Yo, what's up, team? Hope you all guys had a great time. Today I had a great time, as you can see, like 19 grand. That was sweet. What I want to show all the new people, my group chat, where I shared all this analysis today. So we started with a nice song, and then we had this USD trade that I was watching, and then yeah, GBP JPY, we lost it yesterday. Unfortunately, we got stopped out with a stop hunt, but the analysis was right. But yeah, fuck it. Yeah, we've lost it with a small loss overnight, but that's fine. I've told everybody to close it. Like, I've told GBP, we had a good move. We had a good move on GBP JPY, but now it's turning around and it didn't manage to smash the recent high. If you want to play it safe, you can close this trade. I will hold it some more because my risk was really low on that one. So I've told everybody so to close it. So if they want to play it safe, I've holded it because I was just testing waters with small risk. It was fine for me to take the loss. As you can see, we really got in at a good time with a price action signal, and it nearly smashed our take profit, and then it was just fucking around. Fuck it, don't care about it. Okay, so yeah, then today we had Dow and DAX for shorts. It was playing around with us like it does last week, but I think it's time to drop for this bitch. Sorry. Fuck, man, the Dow DAX is really testing my patience. Yeah, for the day traders, I had some gold trades. I was selling gold with the rich split. Everybody who's inside of the course, who've studied the Genius Trading Masterclass, knows what the rich split is. It's an awesome way to manage your money management. And yeah, I've used it on gold and banked good on that one. I made all my losses from the trades of yesterday back in gold today. This was really sweet. And yeah, on USDCAD, I was waiting, and then I've sent the final signal when we got a nice price action entry signal near the trend channel. And then yeah, then it has gone really fast. So this thing was moving crazy, and I've banked on that one. Hold it a half position because I thought it was not coming back that far. It smacked my stop, but then we got in again later on. I've shared this with you guys. We got in again here when we had the price action signal on a smaller time frame, and then we had this big move again. I hope somebody in the group could bank this move. It was really fast, but yeah. And then we've traded GBP AUD. Unfortunately, I got stopped out in profit, but it was smacking some stops when the New York session closed. So I think about searching for another sell entry right now to see maybe we can ride it to the bottom of the trend channel or this trend line that you can see here. Just yeah, let's see tomorrow when I will be awake before the New York session close. Maybe I can trade the UK session, but I'm not sure right now. For now, I'm tired of all these chats, guys. Today was crazy. I think about letting someone manage all those newbies so I can have more time to send you more stuff that you can benefit from. Would be great. Let's see if I can find a good manager who can take care of all these chats, because it's getting really crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, don't hesitate to send me a message, guys. I will answer. If you need to wait some hours, then you're not the only one who's waiting for an answer. I'm sorry for that, but bro, I will answer every chat personally, and I will help you out. So don't mind sending me a message even if I'm tired right now. But tomorrow I'm gonna drop the video where I'm gonna explain some more what I did on the trades today, so you get a better overview of what I do. And then yeah, let's focus on tomorrow's trading day and see if we can smash the markets again. I wish you good night, guys. Peace out.